Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. In today's special bulletin, we are going to explore another big event in the blockchain universe after the Ethereum merge. We will be talking about Cardano's Vasil hard fork. So as you know, Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. ADA, the native token of Cardano blockchain, is currently the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization with maximum supply cap of 45 billion coins. Cardano was developed by Charles Hoskinson, who is also one of the co-founders of the Ethereum blockchain. He left the project in 2014 due to disagreements with Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin regarding the project's open source, non-profit structure. Charles Hoskinson is the CEO of IOHK, the company that built Cardano's blockchain. Input Output Hong Kong is the parent firm behind the Cardano blockchain network. Cardano's much-delayed Vasil hard fork is scheduled to go live on September 22, 2022, just a week after the Ethereum's transition to proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. Hoskinson claims that the upgrade is particularly special because it is named after his good friend Vasil Dabov, a Bulgarian mathematician who was an active member of the Cardano community until he passed away last December. The hard fork can change transaction fees or mining rewards in addition to the speed and scale at which its blockchain's transactions are validated. It can also help to fix security loopholes in its protocol, add new features, or improve functionality. The second significant upgrade to the Cardano network, the Vasil hard fork, focuses on improving connectivity and overall network stability. It will bring about radical changes in the network's protocol in terms of transaction fees and speed, as well as decentralized app. However, some of the improvements that come with the Vasil hard fork will take effect on September 27 for a variety of technical reasons, according to Hoskinson. The Vasil hard fork is Cardano's most ambitious upgrade to date since it will dramatically improve the blockchain's scalability. For instance, Plutus V2 scripts will be able to dramatically enhance Cardano's smart contract capabilities. Hoskinson has urged the community to upgrade the Daedalus 5.0.0, the latest version of the wallet that contains some notable fixes. Unfortunately, ADA's recent price move fails to inspire confidence in the upcoming hard fork event. It may seem that investors don't see the fortunes of the blockchain changing after the event, as ADA's price continues to hover near the lower range of $0.44. Though the native coin did see a bounce soon after the IOHK announced the hard fork date, it really was not sustainable. Now, this could be because of the overhang of the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy rate meet outcome. Cardano detractors say that lack of big projects on the blockchain is the real reason for the lukewarm response to the event. Well, we will have to wait to see how the future evolves, especially given the ongoing crypto winter, which has caused several big cryptocurrencies to crash by over 50% from its peak in November. Well, that's it in today's special bulletin. We will meet again with exciting updates from the blockchain universe. Till then, keep watching 3.0 TV. This is me, Vishakha, signing off.